Welcome, I'm Lauren from Zestful Kitchen, and welcome to Everyday Gourmet, where I share realistic recipes for the avid home cook using fresh ingredients and global flavors. Today we're making a creamy cucumber salad, and it's really easy to make, but it's fresh and vibrant and tangy, and it has tons of herbs. It's also really versatile and forgiving, so you can use really whatever you have on hand. We're making the dressing. Okay. So we're gonna make the dressing. It's really easy. The base of it is Greek yogurt. And in my opinion, using whole milk or 5% is kind of a non-negotiable. It's so much more flavorful than low-fat Greek yogurt, and it's way creamier. It's like the texture of sour cream, and it has just a great flavor. Okay, then we need a tablespoon of vinegar. You can use really any vinegar. I mean, don't use balsamic, but any kind of white vinegar, or even a red wine vinegar, but I like rice wine or just white distilled or white wine. I just find it's a little bit crisper in flavor. So we'll add that. And then we'll add a couple of teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna eyeball that. Oh, pretty. Okay, and then we have a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're gonna whisk that up, and that's the base of the dressing. The rest of the salad is just a shallot that's thinly sliced, an English cucumber, and some mixed herbs. The other reason it's really important to use full-fat Greek yogurt is that the cucumbers will end up weeping a little bit. It's just natural when they are mixed with salt. So having a thicker Greek yogurt will keep it from getting too watered down. If you're using a low-fat, it will just become really watery. So we're gonna thinly slice a shallot. Ooh. Okay. And then I'm gonna put these in here, and I am gonna separate them so they get mixed throughout the salad a little bit better. If you don't want raw shallot, you could do scallions instead. That'd be a really great addition. So would red onion. Okay, next thing is we're gonna slice a English cucumber into here. And I'm just gonna use my mandoline because it's efficient and it's consistent, so that each slice is the same. You do want an English cucumber for this because they have a thinner skin and smaller seeds. Gorgeous. Now we're just gonna add in mixed herbs, tons of different fresh herbs. So you can do really any tender herb. Cilantro would be great. Mint is my favorite. Today we're gonna do a little bit of fresh basil, some dill, and I have some chopped parsley already, so we're just gonna use some of that because it's already prepped. So you need a total of 1/4 to 1/3 cup. So I'm just gonna put in a couple tablespoons of the parsley right now. Get that in there. And then let's do a little bit of the basil. This is gonna be a lot of herbs. Got a little carried away. So if you're like, this is just tzatziki, you're right, it basically is. It's all the flavors and ingredients that go into a tzatziki sauce, but it's turned into a salad, and it's delicious. So, yeah, that's literally it. Let's try it. See if it needs some salt. Oh, nope, it's good. A little bit of salt. Oh, it's so fresh. I will say dill is the move. If you like dill, dill and mint are like the perfect combo. Time to try it. Get a little bit in my miniature bowl. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. It's creamy and delicious. Mmm. But the whole milk Greek yogurt and the shallot together makes such a savory combination. And then the herbs are just so fun and vibrant and bright. So versatile, so easy to make, so forgiving. And it's perfect when you need to just make something last minute. Generally, I have an English cucumber on hand. Generally, I have some kind of sour cream or Greek yogurt on hand. So you can make the salad super easily if you just have a couple of things stashed in the fridge. So it's a great summertime side dish. Let me know if you make it. I'll link all the information below. The recipe is linked down there. And meet me back next week for another Everyday Gourmet recipe. Cool.
Yeah.
Yay. That was fun.
I just thought